How's it going, everybody? And thank you for joining me for the New York Gambler 500 Spring Broke 2022 event. For those of you that don't know, the Gambler 500 is where we go and we pick up trash on off-road trails and we take out wacky and impractical off-roaders. Our gambler for this event is a '09 Crown Vic, lifted up on 31s with Ford Expedition springs in the back, F-150 4x4 shocks, and spacers in the front. We also got tons of armor, this mean old bumper, and a welded diff. And you can check the link in the description for the complete build.
The driver's meeting, seeing all these crazy rigs show up. Man, that thing's got to be on 35s at least. That's what I was hoping to get for the Crown Vic, is a brush guard, but no. I like a snorkel. It's just got a, what is it, like a plastic front loader bucket.
That's from a toy dump truck.
That was my guess. I liked also this the Vice Mint Aerostar. Well, you could definitely run into crap with that. El Diablo.
Someone got bent. I don't know if this was last night or what, but
Yes, this all over my face.
They changed the tires because they originally have just a 4-bolt.
Oh, that's like aluminum welded up too. You got some tabs and stuff. Oh, they 5-lug swapped it. Yeah, this was on the list of things that I wanted to gamble. I didn't want a Crown Vic, but these are front wheel drive. That is a diff. There's a differential in the back. It's all-wheel drive now. I didn't think these were all-wheel drive.
They weren't.
I'm waiting here.
Somebody had done.
Somebody made this thing all-wheel drive.
I bet it's Subaru.
Yeah, there's something cut in here that is cut.
yeah, that's not supposed to be there.
All right, heading out. Mobbing. All right, let's drop that in first. Yeah, that's how we do it.
Whoa, it's a tire.
I'm like looking around on that side of the house, like, Austin, get the trash.
Nikola Ultra.
Probably.
Nah. I think there's some stuff up there, right by that log.
Head up there, Zach, and we'll walk.
Yeah, Diesel Dave. Oh, there's a couch. The cavalry has arrived. We got to get rid of it. Ratchet strap it on the trunk. I wonder if the GoPro will just pick up the insane amount of bugs flying around. Yeah, just get that ratchet strapped anyhow and we're good. Toad.
Here, have a petrified dish.
Friend. Look at that silky smooth electric power you got, Diesel Dave.
Maggie leg.
What do we got here?
Flower power.
Whoa, filled up with beer bottles, the entire trash bag or trash can.
Crush it down.
Yeah, you're gonna have to. Ratchet strapped to the gas filler. Okay, no, I'm Captain Morganing on the tire. Get out of here. So we had to come back and do a bit of grinding because we had some rubbing. But now we should be good to go. It's a gorgeous area. It totally looks like a little party nook, and that there's not beer cans everywhere is really surprising.
There's a campfire right there.
I know, there was even a campsite and there was no cans. Ooh, look at that springiness.
I'm not gonna lie, I can sleep on this floor on the ground tonight.
Just throw a little tarp on it.
Oh, sleeping bag.
Take a look at the map too, see where we are. Hot Dog Corners, that sounds like a great spot to go. Mm.
I'm gonna get a feel because I've yet to drive this.
She's like a boat.
I'm used to the Lincoln, but the Lincoln has such spongy shocks.
Yeah, you get that weight that just kind of like waves through it.
Yeah. That's a big one. Big piece of garbage or a couch?
Looks like there's a lot of trash
See
here.
what this is.
Toad. 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 Yeah, he's little. He's a little babby.
Oh, shit! Okay, the trunk open. And the roof popped out.
I smell gas too. Well, as long as it's the gas cans on top. The rack is fixed, kind of. We broke off the big plastic foot, crammed some wood in there, and now the whole thing is ratchet strapped down.
Oh, but we got the wood from the side of the road.
Yeah, the wood is a part of the trash we picked.
I thought it was doing really good up until that point.
Doing
Great
I'll
up
just
until
go
there, the
up
end.
until I decided to send it through this puddle and launch the roof rack up.
That's not bad. Nothing too broken though.
You said we hit all the south pins.
Yeah,
There's a lot of them.
we hit a lot of them.
Oh yeah, it shows where we've been on this blue line.
Oh, it keeps
Oh, look at that cloud dust.
Don't worry about it.
I feel like eventually we're gonna wear away the bottom of that trunk so much our clothes are just gonna flop out like a turd.
Sorry.
There's like a cult sign. Take a right.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a lot of trash.
That's trash. We're stopping.
That's a lot of damage.
That's a pool. Yeah, that's a pool.
Yeah, we gotta find a way to cram that in here.
We're on it.
Show me the pickles.
Sandwich stuffers.
What, show me, what's the expiration date?
2023.
Hey, those are still good.
Those are good? I'm sure
Mhm.
They're gonna eat one.
No
Let's
way.
open it and give it a whip.
I eat one of those, I'm gonna yak. Nice.
Keep going. Send it.
I wasn't filming, you gotta do it again. I wasn't looking.
That's how you show Jeeps how it's done.
Yeah.
Though we are gonna probably want to look at that back corner and keep down hard.
We lost something. Got this stuff at least. Just gotta find the nut now.
It's me. Yo.
Watch out, this is gonna be a big ding. Right, yep. Oh, ooh, got it.
It's about as fast as I dare go through here.
That's about as fast as you should go. Oh, some more puddle. Good thing these all work.
Aren't they up?
No. Good enough. Good enough. There. You just gotta get most of the way out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's getting fucking tight.
Tight rolled Bertha. Oh, there's a branch in there.
I'll go snag that. Up, down. Watch out for the up-downers.
And it's up, down, up.
Oh, whoa. You might want to go pretty slow down this. Ooh, there's a skid plate working. Like it was nothing. Nice.
Oh, God. The fucking tree right here. Yeah, we'll just scrape it off.
Done it at all.
Hey, that's not very big.
Oh boy. That's
This isn't bad, it's just a little steep.
Yeah. Okay. Don't walk them off. I don't think you're gonna dry.
yeah, I'm just
Brakes and gearing should work, dude.
kind of rolling it down. Roll the old chariot along. I wouldn't want to go up that fast.
You did.
We picked the right.
That's
direction
very,
to go through here.
that's very shaly too. You can
Yeah.
hear it. Perfect.
Oh yeah, it's so cold.
That's so nice. What?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's a wall. This might be somebody's farm. Ooh, we are 45 degrees. Stop. Barricade ahead. Stop trail closed. Yeah, it looks like it's a dead end. So we gotta go back up
Nah,
the
there's
hill.
a turnaround here.
Well, we gotta go back up
I know.
You might need some momentum through this. Maybe not. This is that dirt that clings in the tread. Doesn't fling out. That was a lot of the issue we were having there.
Oh,
Is
this is the shale one.
the tread.
Oh.
No.
No, that was a different road.
Different one?
Yeah.
This was just that little offshoot. Watch that
Oh, that's
big rock
big
right
rock.
here. So what's our next destination? Do we want to do more waypoints, or we just want to fuck around here?
I mean, it's 1:40, so
Oh yeah, what was our turnaround time?
I was saying like 2:30. I don't know if you guys agree with that or not, but that was kind of the
Sure.
plan I said.
This was a great event. We had a lot of fun. The Crown Vic was an absolute animal. And between us and all the other gamblers, we managed to fill this entire dumpster as well as this massive pile of tires. Until next time, take it easy. Shoots.